Hi, everyone. My name is Jonathan Freeman, and for the Unit 7 discussion, I'm going to discuss the intended purpose and the reasons why JSON has recently dominated the API landscape. To start, the two most popular API languages are XML, which was developed in 1996, and JSON, which was developed in 2001. Fundamentally, JSON and XML are designed with different purposes in mind. XML is a markup language which gives meaning to text with a tree-like structure and a representation of mixed content. XML was primarily used through the late 1990s until JSON was introduced with a streamlined approach to data exchange after a browsing session that was loaded. Rightfully so, JSON has been adopted by all the big players. Of the 10 most popular web APIs, a list consisting mostly of APIs offered by major companies like Google, Facebook, and Twitter. Only one API exposes data in XML rather than JSON. JSON's purpose is that of a structured data interchange, and that allows for a direct representation of objects, arrays, numbers, strings, and booleans. JSON, however, does not have a way to handle mixed content. So it's kind of one of those cases where depending on what you need, you would either use XML or JSON or a variant of, XML is better at some things than JSON is, and vice versa. So with that being said, some of the advantages of JSON for data interchange, it's simpler for humans and machines to understand due to JSON syntax, which is more similar to that of a programming language. It does not require the quote-unquote bracket tags or the opening and closing tags, and that reduces both redundancy and file size. Also, many developers claim that it's less confusing and more straightforward than XML. It only comes in one flavor. XML has specific whereas XML has specific adaptations such as RSS, Atom, SOAP, etc. And also JSON was designed specifically for data interchange. Some of the advantages, however, for XML as a document markup language, it allows the use of metadata in the form of tag attributes. It also allows the tree structure that's composed of allows for browsers to collapse individual tree elements, and that's actually really helpful in debugging. And it also provides the ability to communicate strings that contain structured markup or mixed content. Well, that's it. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks, everyone.